Hi, this is Bill Guthrie, and on behalf of the team, I want to thank you for showing up and checking us out. This is Instant PR Pro, and I'm currently inside of the members area. First off, I want to let you know that if you have not been using press releases, it is a really amazing way to get a lot of attention to your business, to your websites, to your offers and services. There are thousands of reporters all over the world who are constantly looking for things to report on, and practically in every niche under the sun. So this is a really great way to get your information out there to them. Also, when through syndication, you have really good chances of getting your press releases presented on other websites as well. Now, we're not promising that doing this is going to get you to the top of Google. That's not really the point of press releases, and those days are over. But from a viral perspective, press releases are a really, really outstanding way to get information out about what you're doing. So let's get to the software. And this should only take a couple of minutes because we have designed Instant PR Pro to be a very quick and efficient way to generate your own press releases. So the first thing that we do is we'll create a business profile, and I'll just show you what that looks like. We fill out a couple of very simple data fields. These are things that you should already know about yourself and about your business. If you are working with clients, it should take just a couple of minutes to get this information from them. Now I'm going to go ahead and get out of there and go ahead and show you what one of them looks like when it's completed. And this is the one for our company, BWI Press. And there's information in here. It took me just a couple of minutes to fill this out, and we're good to go on that front. So the next thing you do is, once you have your business profile in place, is that you would go ahead and choose and create a press release. So the way that you do that, you can hit click new press release. You choose from our 20 different templates, and you might be saying, oh, I want more templates. More templates is not necessarily the answer. When it comes to press releases, they really fit into just a few categories, and we've made sure to cover the most popular categories that there are. But I would go ahead and choose one here. Let's say I want to say, let's do one for a sales promotion, and I would hit create. So I want to show you what you do next. The cool thing here is that because we start with the business profile, I can go ahead and choose a business profile. And then what happens? Well, all of that information I put in there has been automatically populated. I only have to fill out a few more bits of information to go ahead and get this thing completed. And so again, I want to show you what one of them looks like, and I'll go in here to the edit. So you can see that all this information is already filled out for me. I only have to fill out a couple of bits of information, and you can see, it may be hard to see in this video, but we give you a lot of different examples so that you are not sit there and stuck on how to answer, right? We want this to be a very simple process. So in this case, everything is in. It's taken me just a few minutes to fill this out. I promise you, it's only going to take a couple of minutes. So let's go back here. We have our press release. Now, what do we do with it? There's a couple of things that we can do. First off, let's go ahead and preview this so we can see what it looks like. And this is just some boilerplate information we put in there just to remind you what to do. And we show you for immediate release, BWI Press announces the launch of Instant PR Pro. We have this bit of information. Now you may be saying, oh, well, geez, that doesn't look very long. Well, it doesn't have to be long. It's not, press releases are not big, long blog posts. They are very particular bits of information presented in a particular style, and that's what we do very well inside of Instant PR Pro. So I can look at it there, make sure I like what I see. I'm going to close that thing up, and now I want to be able to get this out of Instant PR Pro, and I want to be able to use it. I want to be able to submit it. So we allow you to do that in a couple of different ways. Number one, you can export it, and you can export it by HTML if you actually want to put this on your website if you'd like, or you can export it by text. And I click the export by text just to give you a quick sense of what that looks like. Open it up, and there it is. So I can see right here, yep, there's all the information I want. It looks good. I can go ahead and edit this as I feel like it. If I want to add more information to this, whatever I might want to do. At the very least, I'd like to copy and paste this so that I could submit it. And let's close that up. And the other way that you can get this information over to you is, and especially this is great if you want to see, want a client to review this have them take a peek at it ahead of time, you can go ahead and we will email this to you. So if I email that over to myself, and I can tell you right now that this is what one of them looks like. It comes instantly. It should be no delay whatsoever. And there it is again. So that is how it works. We can always go in and edit. So if you see something that you want to change, or you want to change the wording, or whatever you want to do, you can absolutely do that. We try to make this as simple as possible. And again, that is Instant PR Pro. As I said, it's meant to be simple. It's meant to be quick. We've got all the press releases that you need. All you have to do is fill in a couple of forms. You'll have a press release in your hands within minutes. So thanks a lot. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.